Hello, gardening friends. I have finally planted out some of my petunias in my rail planters. Let me show you. So here in this corner, I have a Carmine Velour petunia along with a couple yellow petunias and another Carmine Velour here on the corner. And then in this planter here, I have a plum pudding mix petunia alongside a yellow petunia. And then down here in this container, I propagated a verbena as well as a yellow petunia right next to some King Henry violas that I planted out the other day as well. And then back here are some sugar snap peas that are finally popping up through the soil. And I'm not sure how this one got way back here. And this one, I'm not sure how it got way over here, but it's okay. They should be fine. So this is usually one of the first containers that I plant out on my back porch. And I typically reserve it for flowers, sugar snap peas, pole beans, and cucumbers. Yeah, so as you can see, this petunia that I propagated is looking a little sappy, but it should perk up in a few days. So yeah, that's this particular area of the porch. So let me show you a few other of the rail planters. So this one is situated sort of like in the middle of my porch railing. This here is a Carmine Velour petunia, looking lovely. And then let me maybe go around to the other side so you can see a little bit better. So this planter is right next to the one I just showed you. This one has a few plum pudding mix petunias, and they're kind of just starting to open up, but that is just a gorgeous flower. I mean, I think that is so beautiful. I love that color. And then in the middle here, I have a Carmine Velour, which is going to be like a reddish pink color. Those have not started budding up just yet. And then over here, more plum pudding mix petunias. And then in all the planters, I have King Henry violas. That was actually the very first flower that I planted out in all of these rail planters. Now this is another corner rail planter, which is on like the left-hand side of the deck or the porch. And on this side, I've got a Carmine Velour, which has not really started budding up just yet. In the middle here, I've got more violas, some yellow petunias, looking lovely. And then to the right here, another Carmine Velour. So I like to balance the planters out by having like, either one of each color or multiples of each color if I have more than two. So I will come back and show you what they look like after a few days. Happy growing!